Quack? What the quack? All I want for Christmas is a fish, 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 a fish, 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 a fish, fish, fish. If I only had a fish, 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 did I have a happy Christmas? Hi, that's my hand. Look, see? It has a ring on it.
We're doing
Fireworks.
Here is, as you can see, here's Lazy Duck.
Hi.
We got our new rings.
Yeah, new shiny rings.
They're not shiny, but because they're silicone. Ranger and rode on his bike somewhere out there.
Come back.
I can't see him.
Come back. We'll give you cheesecake. I don't like cheesecake.
So yeah.
There's wolves in these woods, so everyone just be careful.
No, there's not.
There's coyotes, definitely.
Yeah, but that's not a wolf.
And then there's bears. No, hogs. Sorry.
I'm wearing my red and black flannel shirt.
All I want for Christmas is a fish, fish, fish.
Hey,
A fish, fish, fish. That's blinded me.
Lazy Duck's wearing his normal. We got a fake rifle.
And I'm wearing jeans for once in my life.
I'm wearing jeggings for several. You can't even see out here.
I got Rolex. See?
And then I just showed your face, so we can't use this.
Dang it. Boy, can you still use mine?
But you showed me.
No, I didn't. I showed your hair. I'll blur you out. I'll blur you out if you want. See, look, it's dark. Okay, check back here. Check back with you guys in a minute. Yep. Okay. Here comes Ranger Ed. Where is he? Ranger Ed. Ranger Ed. I wish he could see him, but I can't. Oh, there he is. You see? Yeah, there he is. Yes, he is the Ranger Ed.
Don't blind the driver.
I'm not blind, no
It's
driver.
on YouTube.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Don't put this on YouTube. My
I'm not
face is
even.
in
No,
it.
I'm not. I'm just showing your legs. Your fancy legs.
Ew.
Get off my legs. I can ride my bike if I want.
Then do it. Do it. Yeah.
I think I just did.
Yeah, we're doing fireworks. I'm probably gonna do a live stream on it though.
Nah.
Yeah.
And then can I use that?
Yeah, Lazy Duck's weird.
I am. Haha, I'm weird. Weirdy, weirdo.
Normal one.
No, you are not. You
Ain't
are
no-
not normal.
All right, it's a full moon, meaning all the crazy people and all the crazy animals are gonna be out.
I'm always out.
Hey, be on your guard.
Okay.
On our guards.
I got my rifle here.
Is that Randy?
First, what is it, Randy?
No, I don't know.
Well, that's the only like yellow cat we have. Besides there's an armadillo down there.
Where?
Tell me, Bravo.
Here?
Yeah.
Soft?
He's going. Shh. I drew my pistol, but it didn't need to use it. Found it was an armadillo.
That wasn't gonna hurt the armadillo.
Well, if it was a possum, I'm gonna hit it, shoot it in the head, and then run. Or a bike.
I hit him in the flashlight.
No, don't.
That's
hit
what I
him.
did
I don't
with-
want to get that close.
That's
to
what I did with a
possum.
bear.
Yeah,
Remember?
that's what he did to that bear.
There was a
which happened to be
bear?
my dad.
What?
Yeah, my dad was standing behind
Our dad.
Our yeah, that's what I'm saying. Our dad was standing by his shed, and we
still
were walking home. Well, actually, walking around in the backyard, coming back to our house.
Neighbor's
and then
house.
my dad was like, ah, and then
I went,
Yeah.
Bam!
yep, he
And my
hit
dad was like, oh!
him right in the head. Hit him
Just
right
down.
in the head. No, I slipped and
yeah,
fell.
Ranger and fell on the ground. Bam!
I slipped. I tripped and fell because it was dark, and the person with the flashlight ran off.
And I ran to my house.
Yep, he
and
ran
I was
after
like,
I hit him in the head.
Help!
And I'm like, okay, well, first of all, when you land on the ground, you'd have been dead if it was a real bear, because that bear would have swatted you.
Stop and go pee.
Oh, pee in the woods if you're gonna pee somewhere. Oh, I'm gonna get toilet paper rolls, and someone says I gotta go to the bathroom. I'll throw them a roll and say your spots in the back. You're throwing a weights in the back.
Come on.
All I want for Christmas is a fish,
I'm gonna go
fish,
scout.
fish. A fish, fish, fish.
Scout or scout?
Hey, you ran over something.
It was just one of the poppers. Do you have any more poppers?
No.
Shine the
No,
light.
no. Where is it? Yeah, I don't have any more.
What?
You're going to you're in charge of the
Safety.
no, I'm in charge of safety. You'll be in charge of issuing the
Yes.
issuing the
Little people.
little people's their
They don't know what's going on. Okay.
lighting.
So yesterday we had a
What?
party.
Stuff that doesn't require lighting.
Yesterday we had a
Like,
Christmas party,
they're
okay?
they're like little
Yeah, we had a
light
Christmas
things that shoot
party,
out confetti,
okay?
then
And
you pull the string that shoots out confetti and it lights.
yeah, so for my
And
mom's
offers
family, which
like-
includes
You're gonna be in
Sloth
charge of
Queen.
issuing and counting.
Yeah, Sloth
Making
Queen.
sure everybody's-
So yeah,
little kids get the little
and then
pistol things,
we
everybody
decided
else
that
gets the
today
little
we do
poppers
New Year's Eve
and,
fireworks.
popper
So yeah,
things.
I'm gonna do that.
And
Hopefully
for
I'm gonna do a
sparklers,
live stream.
I got my lighter.
Yeah, we have yeah, he's a lighter.
We're in charge of little kids. We're on little kid duty.
Well, that's
Well,
what our
all
kids.
of
That's
us?
what our job. Yes, but you're on.
Except for I'm the
issuing them-
gatekeeper.
You're on issuing them. I call them weapons for now. But
Gatekeeper.
not really weapons. They're just popper things. Issuing them non-lightable fireworks. That's your job.
I don't have them.
I know they're over at that.
Yeah, they're over there.
table. So when all the guests come in, it's where all the chairs are. There's like 10 chairs in there. Easy to see. It's behind the tree. By the way, we had a tree that came down in our yard.
Yeah, because of the
All
storm.
right, I'll use my flashlight when it's time.
Okay.
Bottle flip number 2.
Hey,
Whoa,
y'all
can
didn't
I-
know. Hey, that's my. Oh, that's not mine.
I want a
If y'all
bottle.
didn't know,
Let me bottle first. Ready? Get this over. He just said to use my
Yeah.
phone.
Yeah.
Me.
okay, so
We've
we're
been
all
related. Yeah, we've been like this.
We're
Yeah,
cousins.
I didn't.
You
yeah,
realize we've said that since the beginning,
No,
since day one.
I didn't know that. I didn't know we said that.
You knew that we were related.
I know we were related. I didn't know that we said it out loud though.
Good night in the morning.
Okay,
That's
so
kinda like- yeah.
I'm
All right,
Sloth
I'm gonna go
Queen.
back and scout.
I'm the cousin of Ranger Inn and Lazy Duck 51, and Lazy Duck 51 and Ranger Inn are brothers.
Yeah,
So we're
I
all
think we
related
need that.
here.
all related.
That's
like
why we
one
have the rings for the courageous 3. It's really awesome.
book,
Book.
soon to be book.
Soon to be a book. Well, there is a book. It's just not published yet.
Yeah.
I'm in the process of writing book
Let me
2,
try to flip this.
But I sprained my wrist, so it's really difficult right now. Apparently, I'm not very good at ball flipping. At
Right.
least on the phone.
Well, it's not flat.
I had to chill. That's what I do when I have to chill. Make weird sounds.
Boom, boom,
Little tiny moth.
boom.
I made a whole video about ball.
And then you won the shoe contest.
Well, because I have the most awesome shoes. They were like pink and orange. And by the way, I got
My
new
shoes.
shoes.
Oh yeah, and then I got my.
And I have different laces now. See what they're elastic. That's cool.
Okay, yeah.
These are size 12. What size do you wear?
13.
13? Oh, men's, right?
Yeah, men's
I'm like
13.
a size 10.
I'm bored.
Come
We'll check the
on.
time.
You're just the gatekeeper. Hey, let me
18,
see.
16, 16.
Okay.
Don't shine on
I'm
my
not.
face.
So this is the gate. We're letting people in to see fireworks at their house. Yeah, so it's really cool. You can't see anything. And that's the road over there.
Up, car.
The car coming.
Let me see it. Let me see it.
Probably our family.
Yeah. I can't show their
Okay.
faces.
Yeah,
Oh,
we cannot show their faces. I'm sorry about that.
Don't worry about it.
But we will tell you that they are our cousins and our aunt and uncle.
Yeah. Oh, wait. They. I don't think they. Can.
You know that? Okay, so
Uh,
on my channel, Soft Queen 04, no, just Soft Queen. The one view that is Christmas countdown is them. So that's awesome.
Ooh.
Really awesome.
Okay.
They're like, yeah, the one view you get a week, it's us. I'm like,
Your videos are cool.
I know.
I watch them as much as I can, but yeah, I have to
We
download them.
actual lives.
Like the life of Jenny.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I downloaded that
Inside
on
the lives
yeah.
of Jeff and Jenny.
because I have
That's
YouTube
really
Red. So,
You could watch it regularly.
but yeah, I can download them so I can watch it offline because my data.
Because that's really cool. That one's really cool. It's like, and the litter box one is like, Ginny is in the litter box. Oh,
It's a moth. It's a moth. When are we gonna? It's almost pitch black. See, in the sun. We have chickens and ducks. They know this because the viewers know this because you know.
Well, we've seen little chicken. I call my kid little chicken because that's the chicken name.
Yeah, little chicken. We have one.
She had a bunch of she had a ton of eggs.
Yeah, and we have 5 chicks now. Oh, there goes that. Yeah, they're about 2 months old, 3 months. Yeah.
My cats are 6 months old. Jeff and Jen, the ones that have the inside the lives video. Is Ranger coming back?
Probably
Or is he,
not.
like,
Probably not. Okay, guys, I'll leave it here. I gotta upload this video in time for the live stream. Yeah, it'll probably take a while. So, guys, like this video, subscribe to Sloth Queen, and
subscribe to
Ranger
all
N.
of us. Ranger N 789, Sloth Queen, and Lazy Duck 51.
Yeah.
And we'll see you in the next video.
Yeah,
Thanks
and
for
by the way,
watching.
actually, yeah, never mind. Okay, yeah, see you guys. Bye.